Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shantae. Last time we left off, I explained what happened with me deleting video that I meant to upload today and whatnot. Sorry about that. But we came back here again to try to get farther than I last explored, but I ended up dying because of areas that I wasn't too familiar with, and I ended up falling because they had drop pits, and I was like, what the fuck? Damn it. But at the end of the video, I was getting close to having enough money to buy some equipment for Shantae, and I ended up buying the fighter boots, which just allowed me to do that, as you saw. Okay, I was about to say I'm not gonna make it, am I? But that still isn't enough to help me get that squid. Also, in the last video, I did figure out that I'm a little worried about giving squids to the matings now because. One was like, "Are you sure that's my kid?" Because there's so many of them. I'm like, what the fuck you mean there's so many of them? Why would you ask that? It's your child. You should know what your child looks like. But apparently, I'm really hoping I gave the right ones to the right lady. Because I don't want to fuck up and end up having something that's irreversible, you know? But let's try over here. Haha! Okay, where does this... Ah, okay. This was down there. Interesting. Oh. Oh, I need that one up. Thank you. Fucker. Alrighty. Was that all that was down here? I guess so. Alrighty. Wasn't a total waste. Let's get a move on. So now we're back down here, and I believe this led to. I believe this place led to a door that needed a key, but I didn't have one. So we had to find a key, but I don't know where to find a key, and I don't think this place has a map. So I'm assuming on the left, that's all the things I can become, except for the heart, which I don't know what that means. And I can probably summon friends for help. Okay, well, how the fuck did I do this last time? Okay, fuck's sake. Alright, so now we're over here. I'm assuming I have to go this way because I couldn't find... I needed a key, and this was where I last left off. But it kind of sucks that there's no map because this is solely based on your memory now. Okay, I thought I could like bait it out. Sweet. Yeah, I was gonna say that's probably another heart. I should not, like, break all pots that are in, like, areas that probably need health, you know? It's time to jump. Now we're over here. Fish, double squid, fish. Alright. That's easy to remember. Fish. Yep. Ah, shit. There we go. Oh boy. Alright. Okay. Oh god, this is a lot harder than you think. Okay, I need the squid. That works with me. There we go. We got another key. Where am I going? Oh, Jesus. Huh. Sweet. And that key looked a lot like the key in fucking Zelda. But I feel like there was more in that area, so I want to head back there. So let's have a look. Shit. Ah, damn it. Ah, fuck. This whole jumping thing's a little wonky for my taste. Wait for it to come out. No? Okay, fuck. Alright. Getting into the groove of things. Alright. Now we're back here. Damn it. Wait for the fire to go. Shit. They don't spawn back either. Damn. This game is ruthless. Alright, now we're back here. Well, let's have a quick look over here. I feel like there might have been a little more extra in this room. That's probably most of it. Yeah. Alrighty. So now we can head down. It's a little straightforward though, but you do have to like rely on your memory to know where to go. Oh, I think there's big money in here. Sweet. I wonder if like at the end once you fight the boss, assuming there's a boss, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a boss because we're looking for some relic right now. So, I think this is where I found that squid. Yeah, this is the squid area. But I'm gonna die if I don't find any health, so if any of the monsters or bots could drop some health, that'd be greatly appreciated. Fuck me in the ass. Pretty sure there's also like health upgrades too, because I did see that like giant health icon earlier. Like this weird like heart potion thing laying about somewhere in some cave, but I couldn't reach it because I was either... I don't think I was heavy enough to crumble some platform. Or something. Okay, well... I was clearly hitting it. Okay, well, never mind. I was gonna shut up. Yeah. Awesome. A lot of money for my troubles. Greatly appreciated. And there's probably more... Alrighty. The icon's gotta be here somewhere. Like the hieroglyphs. Okay, well, that's just unfair. What the fuck was that? Locked. Damn it. Locked and I need another key. Okay. What the fuck? Wait, did that open? No. But what was that about? Did that open anything? Oh, come on. Really? Okay, well, I'm gonna get hurt every time I jump on that because of how that's set up. That's a little bullshit. Oh wait, that opened that. Okay. So what's over here, though? Ah, more of these guys. Where'd he go? Suck it. Ah, you had the key. Sweet. But is there anything else in here? Like any health? Well, money's appreciated, but I could use some health too. And That's there for some reason. I probably need something that helps me fly, which is assuming I learned that dance that lets me turn into a flying creature. But we open that. Sweet. Okay. Really? Really? That's dickish, man. That's dickish. Oh, squid. Squid. Come on, man! Really? Oh, that's so fucking... That's a dick move. Wait, what? Okay. So, squid, fish. Right, because I broke the other one. That's gonna drop a key so I can head back over here, but I'm gonna die while coming down here because of how that platform jumping is set up. What the shit? This game is fucking cruel. Wait, what? Squid, fish. Okay, so now I just have to head back up. Well, I'm gonna have to die in the process. Oh look, I didn't die that time. Or I didn't get hit. Alright. So, I assume I had to hit that thing back, right? What? Do I have to go down with it? Oh. I'm a fucking idiot. I would have been pissed if that dropped me down somewhere. There we go. So what the fuck was that noise? Also, there appeared to be enemies roaming about. Also, Shantae's hair looked like... There we go. That move comes in handy, I gotta say that. Oh, fuck me. Oh, no health either. Really? I got hurt from hitting it? That is fucking stupid. Well, I'm getting money for it, but still. Okay, now I gotta fix it all up. So, squid, fish. Ah, fuck my life. Okay. There we go. Fuck's sake. I am not getting used to, like, how precise this game wants to be. There we go. Didn't get hit that time either. Jeez, I can only imagine how the other dungeons are going to be. I'm just glad I can get more health later on. Because if I had to go through the whole game with only 3 hearts, that'd be a little cruel. Unless that's like... Unless I end up unlocking hardcore mode. Which can't be a possibility, honestly. Come on, I need hearts, not fucking money. Huh? The music changed. Who's this lady? Who are you? Thank you for freeing me. Once I was the guardian of this labyrinth, but a terrible creature imprisoned me here. For your kindness, I will teach you a magical dance you can use to foil evil. Watch closely. So I can turn into a monkey. You can review the dance moves on your subscreen. Practice hard and never forget them. So what about you? Are you having trouble performing the dance? As the musical note lights up, input the first move of the dance. When it lights up again, input the next move, and so on. If your rhythm is perfect, you will succeed. Cool. So can I talk to you? Now I can climb around where I couldn't. Cool. And I have a higher jump, I think. Haha! What is that noise? I'm hearing something like fall around, so I'm just like, what the fuck? Haha! The power of the monkey knows no bounds! Watch me soar across the ceiling, or walls. Spider-Man my way. And that's how I change back. Cool. Sweet. Awesome. So can I like jump through shit now? Yeah. That's interesting. I didn't know she learned it from like these guardians. I thought they're like inscriptions from ages past, you know? Now then again, she does like to dance, so she's got that going for her. Okay, I literally just guessed on that too. What's in here? Yeah. Oh yes, give me the muns. I need the money to buy shit. And this leads to the other side. Clever game, clever. It's gonna move on. Onward! Wow, this is a really fast monkey. And it's fluidly animated. Me gusta. Platforming. Not my forte. Or it is, but, yeah. I don't know if there's more to this area. But now I can reach places that I couldn't get to before, so that's a plus. Yeah, monkey powers go. Oh, jeez. Too bad I can't attack while I'm in this form. Awesome. So what's over here? Alright. Oh, jeez! Should have seen that coming. Alright. I like this though, that like, once you learn something, you can go back to other areas that had like little, that gave you a little sneak peek of something that was there, but you couldn't reach before. I like that. Because it gives you a reason to head back, because it interests you. Let's go back to Monkey. Okay, and I'm getting how this dancing goes. As the lady said, once the icon lights up, you know, do your move. Jump here. Nothing. Already did that. So we'll just head down here. Alright. Monkey, go! That's fluidly animated, though. Look at that. That's amazing. Oh, I gotta change back. Also, I was apparently immune. You know, you're not that hard to fight, because anytime you spawn up, I can just hit you. Need the money! But I think if I get up to 400, I can buy the fighter sash. So that's a plus. But I wonder if that guardian ever shows up again. That's already been here. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's see what this where this leads, because I did see a little clip. Haha! Oh, you bitch. Interesting, interesting. Oh. Ah! Fuck you, platforms. Damn it! Ah, there was just nothing left, really. Or is there? Let's give it one more go. Hell yeah! Gotta explore every nook and cranny you can find, man. Ah, damn it. Whatever, that just might have been more money anyway. If it was a bigger jar, I would have gone back to it. Awesome. I love it when games reward you like that for like being crafty. Also, how did that hit me? And this makes sense because this would be like a level for a monkey because you're running around all over the place trying to avoid everything. Let's have a look around here. Oh, we're actually out of time. Alrighty. Well, that's going to be all for now, everyone. Leave a like and comment if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel grow. And in the next video, we're going to continue exploring this labyrinth. That's what it's apparently called. And see what more this place has to offer. And we'll see what other secrets we can find. We might find some more squids and fireflies. But I've only found one so far. But from what I've been told in the game, you can only find them at night. But anyway, I will see you all later.